What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to talk about Luna Classic. We're just going to do a little bit of a technical analysis. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let's get straight to it. So, first thing I want to talk about with Luna Classic here. You can see that we're actually inside of this high activity area. So, this high activity area could either be high selling activity and high buying activity. But what we also got to think about is what is below this high activity area and what is under it. So first of all, the green area supply and demand of less or more demand, and then the red areas up here supply and demand of less demand. So it's showing less demand at the red areas, more demand at the green areas. So if we immediately have a moderate activity below us and a high activity below us, as well as a more demand below us, and then all we have is a very lightly shaded red area directly above us, and then another dark shaded red area above us with low activity, then this can pretty much tell us what we're probably about to have happen in Luna Classic. We're probably about to try to break this area of 2-9 one more time. So you could actually see in Luna Classic doing that one more time, probably going back up here to 00029, right? And then maybe getting rejected over there again. So if that happens, then we could possibly see that rejection bringing us back down to the 241 area. And honestly, it could happen soon or it can happen later. But what you can actually see here, we got halfway down to that support down at 2.4, and we immediately tried to retest that resistance but got rejected. So if we do the same thing again and get rejected again, then it's almost a confirmation that we're going back down to 2.4. So that's definitely something that you want to look out for. 2.4 is probably going to end up coming sooner rather than later. And if that doesn't happen, if we do become bullish and we can actually break this area up here, if we actually break that 2.9 area, then what you'll end up seeing Luna Classic doing is going up here to 3.2, and you'll eventually see it trying to break past that. And if it can break past it, it'll go all the way up, possibly over here to 3.5. It's a very lightly shaded red area, but or 3.7. But what I really believe is going to happen personally, I think Luna Classic is not going to be able to break this area. I think Luna Classic is actually going to pull back down here to 2.4. It's really optimistic to think it'll get all the way up to 3.2 and eventually 3.7. I really think that 2.4 is going to be that area that we hit. And then from there, maybe we try to go up here and break 2.7 again and get rejected at 2.7, and then possibly going back down here to 2.1, and then possibly even going all the way down here to about 1.7. But see, when we hit 2.1, you'll probably end up trying to see it going all the way up here to 2.4 and getting rejected again. And then that's probably what's going to be ending up bringing it down here to 1.718. So it's inevitable. I mentioned it on all my previous videos. It's Luna Classic just really seems like it likes this area down here. You can actually see before we had that huge pump. And you got to think the only reason we had this pump right here is because Binance, CZ Binance, he pretty much announced that they're going to be doing the burn and they're going to be doing it on their own accord. But see, ever since he announced that, it really hasn't been pumping. Now it can continue to pump, and if it actually continues to pump, then it's only but gonna be because another release from Binance. Binance releasing that, all right, now we're gonna be doing this, or another exchange talking about the burn. But quite frankly, I've been looking at the burns, and the burns have actually been moving very, very slow. You can actually see it over here. Burns have been going pretty slow, and even over here, they've been going pretty slow. But I still think there is some hope for Luna Classic. I still believe that it can continue to rise. It just really takes the backing of Binance. Like Binance has to back it very strong. Binance has to release some updates on it, like maybe daily or weekly. But whatever it is, it seems like the pumps only happen when Binance gives these updates. So if Binance gives another update, we will become bullish again. Or if another exchange gives an update on the burns, then it becomes bullish. But I'm noticing whenever there's no updates on these bullish confirmations, on these burn confirmations, then typically it becomes bearish. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing now. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.